Today you will finally understand the present tense of Spanish regular verbs. And not just understand them, you will actually see the system. Because today we are using colors. In Spanish there are three types of verbs. Verbs that end in AR, verbs that end in ER, and verbs that end in IR. But in my system we simplify this. We don't think in three groups, we think in just two colors. Blue verbs and green verbs. Blue verbs are all the verbs that end in AR. Green verbs are all the verbs that end in ER and IR. Once you see the colors, Spanish becomes logical. Hi, my name is Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and I help people all over the world to learn languages. So let's learn something today. Let's start with the blue verbs. Take the verb hablar, to speak. It ends in AR, so it's blue. First we remove AR. Hablar becomes hablo. Now we add the blue endings. Repeat with me. Yo hablo. Tú hablas. Él habla. Nosotros hablamos. Vosotros habláis. Ellos hablan. Look at the endings carefully. O, has, a, hamos, ais, an. All blue verbs follow this exact pattern. Let's try another one. Trabajar, to work. Remove AR, so it becomes trabaj. Now add the same endings. Yo trabajo. Tú trabajas. Él trabaja. Nosotros trabajamos. Vosotros trabajáis. Ellos trabajan. Same endings, same structure. Always blue. Now let's practice together. How do you say I speak? Pause the video if you need to. Yo hablo. How do you say we work? Nosotros trabajamos. How do you say they speak? Ellos hablan. Very good. Now let's move to the green verbs. Green verbs are all the verbs ending in ER and IR. Let's start with comer, to eat. Remove ER, so it becomes com. Now we add the green endings. Repeat with me. Yo como. Tú comes. Él come. Nosotros comemos. Vosotros coméis. Ellos comen. Now look at the endings. O, es, e, hemos, eis, en. Okay, now let's take an IR verb. Vivir, to live. Remove IR, viv. Add the same green endings. Yo vivo. Tú vives. Él vive. Nosotros vivimos. Vosotros vivís. Here's a slight difference to the verbs ending in ER, so be careful. And the last one is ellos viven. ER and IR verbs share the same color family, the green family. Same logic, very similar endings. Now let's practice. How do you say I eat? Pause the video if you need to. Yo como. How do you say we live? Nosotros vivimos. And how do you say they eat? Ellos comen. Excellent. Now here's something very, very important. In English, you must say I speak, you speak, he speaks, for example. In Spanish, you usually don't need the pronoun. Instead of saying yo hablo, you can simply say hablo. The verb ending already tells us who is speaking. Hablo means I speak. Hablamos means we speak. Hablan means they speak. Spanish is efficient. Pronouns are mainly used for emphasis. Now let's compare blue and green endings. Blue endings: o, as, a, amos, ais, an. Green endings: o, es, e, hemos, eis or is, en. What is similar? Yo always ends in o. Nosotros always ends in mos. Ellos ends in en. You see the structure? Spanish is not chaotic. It is organized. If you understand the colors, you understand the system. Now, a small challenge for you. How do you say we speak Spanish? Hablamos español. How do you say they live in Spain? Viven en España. How do you say I work a lot? Trabajo mucho. If you got these correct, you understand regular verbs in the present tense. And this is just the beginning. If this method helps you, imagine learning Spanish step by step like this. With colors, with repetition, with structure. In my beginner course, we build Spanish exactly this way. You don't just memorize, you understand. And once you understand, you speak. If you want to continue learning with me, check in the link below and visit my website at marcuslanguageacademy.com. And tell me in the comments, blue or green, which one feels easier for you. See you in our next lesson. Muchas gracias y hasta pronto.